I'm Bindi from Bahara. I have had somebody who's asked me, how do I clean tiles that are very high with the Great or Multi-Purpose Kit? I'm just going to show you how to do this. You could either get on a ladder and use, if it's just dirt, the green glove, water, wet it and clean with the green glove, and then dry off using the Star Polish cloth. That's one way. If it's very greasy, then you need to use the Ultra glove. I'm actually here in my outside kitchen, so if I go very high up on a ladder, I'll actually get the grease off the grease exhaust fan. But if it's very greasy behind the splashback and you want to go high, once again, you'll have to get on a ladder, and then you clean using your green, or not your green glove, your Ultra glove, which is the blue one. And then, of course, you need to dry off with your Star Polish cloth. Now that's a 2 system, or with the multi-purpose kit that we have, the window cleaner. We wet it, we roll the rollie on it, we clean the tiles with it, with the squidgy, and then we dry off. We clean and then dry off. Now you will notice in the grout, it might be slightly damp, so you use your Star Polish cloth to just do the grout. So you could clean and get on a ladder with your window squidgy and then squidgy it off. But if you want to add an extra to this, we have got, which has got a wing nut here on it, and it's got a different angle. So you go up onto the surface, clean, and you can even extend it up high and go up higher, clean, and then turn it over and squidgy off.